Nyam Nyam brings to you a heart-shaped layer cake with beautifully piped buttercream. All we need is 250 grams of chocolate cake mix, 3 eggs, 30 millilitres of oil, 50 millilitres of milk, all whisked together in a mixing bowl. Once that's nice and smooth, we're going to add that to our cake tin. Of course, we've chosen a heart-shaped cake tin with a little bit of baking paper cut to size, or you can use a non-stick tin. This goes in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Now in a mixing bowl, we're going to add some buttercream icing and some pink food colouring. Stick that in a couple of different piping bags using a different shaped nozzle in each. This keeps it interesting when we come to decorate our cake. In another mixing bowl, buttercream and red food colouring go in together this time. So we have 2 different coloured buttercreams, again using a selection of nozzles to keep it interesting. Now our chocolate cake has been sliced into segments and we are adding our buttercream one by one, red and pink alternating to make a beautiful flowery pattern. This covers the entire top of the cake and the next layer goes on and we continue this pattern. So you just need a little bit of patience and a little bit of an artistic nature for this one. Finally topped off with more buttercream icing, looking absolutely beautiful and ready for your loved ones to enjoy. Fancy a slice? Delicious.